I am Sandipan Dutta of class 9A and I have taken part in this English poetry writing. And now I shall begin with the poem The Jacaranda Avenue, which is written by me. The Jacaranda Avenue, alluring avenue glanced by the rustics, none ever dim knew exist. Twice a year, once in spring, Jacaranda's beauty entires distant living being.
मेरा नाम है शुभम घोषाल और मैं कक्षा 9वीं ए का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है महिला एक शक्ति। महिला एक ऐसा नाम जिससे लोग डरते हैं, समाज में आने से जिसके लोग जलते हैं। उसके आने से जैसे घर रोशन हो जाता है, फिर भी पता नहीं क्यों उसे अभिशाप माना जाता है। जब उसका जन्म होता है तो पूरे घर में आनंद आ जाता है, लेकिन जैसे वो बड़ी होती है उसे बोझ माना जाता है। पिता की लाडली माँ की प्यारी जब बड़े हो जाती है, सब कहते हैं निकाल दे और ब्याह कर चले जाती है। जब वो ब्याह कर जाती है तो पूरे घर में उदासी छा जाती है, लेकिन जब वो बरसों बाद आती है तो पूरे घर में आनंद आ जाता है। पिता और माँ से मिलकर आंसू निकल जाते हैं, ससुराल की ओर रवाना होकर अश्रु टपक ही जाते हैं। एक अच्छी माँ पत्नी और बहू बनकर पूरे घर को संभालती है, पति और बेटे को प्यार देकर घर की शोभा बढ़ाती है। जब उसके परिवार में संकट होता है तो वो नारी शक्ति का रूप लेती है, सारी विधियों को पार कर कर वो अपने संसार को बचाती है। उसका आधा जीवन संसार में ही चला जाता है, लेकिन जब वो बूढ़ी होती है तब भी उसे बोझ माना जाता है। एक संघर्ष का जीवन जब अंत हो जाता है तो उसे अपने कार्यों के लिए याद किया जाता है। एक महिला का जीवन एक मल्लाह की तरह होता है, जिस नाव में उसके संसार और परिवार होता है। एक माँ और बेटी बनकर पृथ्वी पर जन्म लेती है, अन्नदाता और गृहलक्ष्मी बनकर पूरे घर को सजाती है। महिला हमारा सम्मान है, महिला हमारे गौरव, उसका सम्मान करना ही वही हमारा फर्ज। धन्यवाद।
Thought about poems. What is a poem? Have you ever thought? It's the poet's feelings he shows in words. A lot of wars that people fought and long adventures written in short. A poem is a moral and a lesson the poet wants us to learn and pass it over to the unborn. It tells us about things to be taken into consideration and passed over to the next generation. What do you feel when you read a poem? They are the emotions the poet has held, and we get to get a beautiful view of them in the words he has amazingly tread. Have you ever had a thought what we would have been without the poems we learnt and taught? They are important for us that show the things beyond the world we know.
I am Sumaira Iqbal of class 9A and I have titled my poem as Life. What is life? A journey full of surprise. Sometimes up, sometimes down. No matter what, we should move on. Life is too short to sit and cry. Gather up all your courage and start to fly. Fly, fly, fly until you reach the sky. Forget about the past, make your future bright. This is what will make you happy in life. Thank you.
আমি রণজয় মুখার্জি নবম শ্রেণীর ছাত্র। আমি একটি বাংলা কবিতা রচনা করব যার নাম হলো শারদিয়া। চতুর্থীতে স্কুলের ছুটি, পঞ্চমীতে কেনাকাটি, ষষ্ঠীতে থাক নতুন ছোঁয়া, সপ্তমীতে হোক শিশির ধোঁয়া, অঞ্জলি দাও অষ্টমীতে, আড্ডা জমুক নবমীতে, দশমীতে হোক মিষ্টি মুখ, পুজো সবার ভালো কাটুক।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है आदर्श सिंह और मैं 9वीं कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। मेरी कविता का नाम है यही है मेरा महान देश भारत। यही है मेरा महान देश भारत, जहाँ पे जन्मे चंद्रशेखर और भगत सिंह जैसे महान राष्ट्र हितैषी, जहाँ पे जन्मे अशोक और हरिश्चंद्र जैसे महान नरेश। यही है मेरा महान देश भारत, जहाँ पे जन्मे अभिनंदन और बिपिन रावत जैसे वीर सैनिक, जहाँ के वीर सैनिक मरते दम तक करते हैं अपने तिरंगों की हिफाजत। यही है मेरा महान देश भारत, जहाँ पे होता हर धर्म का मान और सम्मान है, जहाँ पे नहीं किसी में ऊंच नीच का भेदभाव। यही है मेरा महान देश भारत, जहाँ पे मानते धरती को अपनी माता, जहाँ पे मिट्टी का लगाते तिलक। यही है मेरा महान देश भारत, जिसको कहा जाता सोने की चिड़िया, जहाँ पे पूजते नदियों को समझ के माता। यही है मेरा महान देश भारत। धन्यवाद।
सावन आया, साथ में अपने बारिश को लाया। धरती पर नए फूल खिले, पेड़ों में नया जीवन भर आया। मोर नाचे, कोयल गाए, मेंढक भी देखो खूब टर्राए। खेतों में फसलें जब लहराए, किसान तब झूमे नाचे गाए। लहरों में तेज भंवर है आया, मौसम हरियाली का चारों ओर है छाया। छतों पर बच्चे खूब नहाए, कागज की नाव बना के तैराए। बागों में औरतों ने हिंडोला खाया, सावन सबको खूब है भाया। नदियों का पानी भी बढ़ता जाए, देख प्रकृति ये सब कैसे मुस्कुराए। गगन में बादल काला छाया, सावन आया सावन।
জলের অপর নাম জীবন বলেছেন অনেক মহান ব্যক্তিগণ। মানুষের বেঁচে থাকার জন্য দরকার জল, কিন্তু মানুষ দূষিত করছে এই মহান জল। সমুদ্র, নদী, পুকুরের জল হচ্ছে কলকারখানার জন্য দূষিত। যে কোনো প্রাণী বেঁচে বাঁচার জন্য দরকার জল, তাই পরিষ্কার রাখা দরকার এই জল। এই সব কারণের জন্য জলের অপর নাম জীবন।
पेड़ लगाओ, धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार। आओ मिलकर यह वादा करें, अपनी धरती को हरित करें। धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। पेड़ है धरती की शान, पेड़ है धरती की मुस्कान। पेड़ पौधों को पानी दे, जीवन को यह निशानी दे। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम, पेड़ लगाकर जग को खुशहाल बनाए हम। जीवन को सुखी बनाए हम, जीवन को खुशहाल बनाए हम। आओ सभी मिलकर पेड़ लगाए हम।
An adventure of Lucy. I found a little story of a turtle. Her name was Lucy. She went on adventure, chomping on some crusty, dusty, a bit musty grasses, but unexpectedly caught by a selfish boy. His name was Stephen, popularly known as Steve. Lucy was terrified, hoping against hope that Stephen would leave her, but he didn't. Lucy was stuck in a household, tried to escape, but always get caught. One day, Lucy met an angel in human. His name was Ryan. He was just a simple guy who loves to sing, filled with kindness, a bit clumsy. Ryan helped Lucy in getting rid of that selfish Stephen. Ryan showed just a pure act of kindness which saved Lucy's life.
have the mental maths activity. I'm first sharing a tab. All of you can see the question paper. Now the time has started. So the rule of the activity is that I will tell you the question number and all of you will put up your fingers to show how much answer you have got. Alright? So let's start with question number 1. So all of you show what answer did you get for question number 1. With your fingers show what answer.
Mental math keeps our brains quick and sharp. The brain, like the muscles, gets stronger and more efficient with use. Mental math also greatly improves a person's number sense, the ability to understand the relationships between quantities.
Okay, so children, today is day 3 of our mental maths. I hope all of you are excited. Now today, I'm going to do in a little different manner. I'm going to divide you into 2 groups according to your houses. Like, I'm going to divide into red and green house and blue and yellow house. Is that okay, children? Okay, so our mental maths today will be in a quiz format. 4 kilometers
Ma'am,
in 9 minutes.
Swati covers 4 kilometers in 9 meters. So, ma'am, calculating that Swati's speed is more. That is 0.44 kilometers per minute.
Wonderful, excellent.
Hi, my name is Shamsutri Ghoshal. I'm from class 7 section A, and our class teacher Parumita ma'am has been giving us mental math sums in the last few days. One such sum is convert 24% to fraction as reduced as possible. So first we will take at 24% as 24 by 100. Then we will divide 24 by 4, which will give us 6, and 100 by 4, which will give us 25. 6 by 25, which is the correct answer.
I am Snehil Pal from class 7A of UDND school, and today I will be showing how to multiply any number with 11. So first we need to take a number. So let's say the number is 63 into 11. So to find this we need to put the 6 at the 10th place at first. Then we need to add these two, which is 6 plus 3 is 9, and the last letter is 3. So we will put 3 here.
Hello students, today I am going to teach you how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction mentally. Let me give an example. Suppose we have 27 upon 5. Now 27 in the numerator, in the denominator we have 5. Now we will calculate or find out the multiples of 5. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25. We have 25, so 5 will be the whole number, and to get 27 we need 2 more numbers extra, that is 26 and 27. So 5 whole number, and in the numerator we will be having 2. So 5 2 upon 5. So that will be our answer.
So let us take an example that we want to subtract 97 from 185. So we can see that both in the tens and the ones place, the numbers above are smaller. So we have to do borrowing, but we may not. So for that, we start from the smaller number, that is 97, and we count up to the next tens. So from 97 we count up 98, 99, 100, which makes 3 numbers. Again, we have the other number, that is 185. So that is 5 more than 180. So we keep 3 separately, we keep 5 separately. 5 plus 3 makes us 8. So we keep that separately. Now we just count the difference between 100 and 180. So that gives us 80 more numbers. So 80 plus 8 is 88, which is the difference.
Maths helps us function in our daily lives in situations such as shopping, adding tax or figuring out a sale price, cooking, using proportional thinking to alter a recipe, calculating a tip, building something, converting from one type of unit to another, such as ounces to pounds and kilometers to miles, using a foreign currency, investing, figuring out a score or a grade, and comparing values of products or services.
Hello everyone, this is Shubhalakshmi Mukhopadhyay from class 8B. We had a mental maths activity for the past week under the guidance of our respected maths teacher Priya ma'am. The mental math actually keeps our brains quick and sharp. The brain, like the muscles, gets stronger with use. The mental maths greatly improves a person's number sense and the ability to understand the relationships between quantities. We enjoyed the mental maths activity very much. It was a new and different experience. We really want to thank our maths teacher for conducting this wonderful activity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jay Sikdar. I am a student of class 9A from Julian Day School, Kolkata. I am here to give the feedback of the mental maths activity which was held in our school from 7th December to 11th December 2021. So I enjoyed it really very much because it just improved my mental maths calculation, through which I am able to calculate more faster. And I would like to request my all teachers and my principal ma'am to organize these kinds of activity in future too, because it will help us in our future life and it will make us more better and better. Thank you.
Hello respected ma'am. I, mother of Shomujit Banerjee of class 8B, got the privilege to say something about the mental maths that is happening in the last few days. So first of all, thank you for facilitating the students to make them understand the concept of maths better through this mental maths. Although Shomujit loved to practice maths regularly, but after you introduce them this mental math sums, he gained more interested in solving those problems regularly. Thank you.
Good afternoon to our respected principal ma'am and all the teachers. I am very happy with the concept of letter writing that our school had conducted in the 1st September 2021. I was fortunate enough to be chosen as a person eligible to express my views regarding the almost lost concept of letter writing in this digital world. So thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
Personally, I think that the activity regarding the Bengali letter writing is a convenient initiative to take. Our children nowadays are always staying at home because of this pandemic situation, so they have no school, they have no other activities, they have no friends to talk, so they are always busy in phone, email, message writing, WhatsApp checking, etc. So writing a letter by hand, it is really a fascinating habit right now. So I think our teacher, they are encouraging students to do these type of activities. I really appreciate their work.
I would like to thank our Honorable Managing Trustee, Mrs. S.E. Broughton Ma'am, Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Broughton, for taking the lovely initiative, our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Colin Smith, for making us a part of it, our Honorable Vice Principal Sir Mr. Troy Ward, and our Junior Coordinator Sir Mr. Stanley Patchia. Our heartfelt gratitude towards the teachers, the parents and dear children for extending their support. Thank you.